Chamanplas is an essential made at my house for years now, and I know the longer version of my recipe is a little difficult, so I came up with a shorter and easier version to make it. Amla prash, let's make this. Steam amla for 15 minutes, dry roast and sift the masala as mentioned in the description. Make a smooth paste of boiled raisins, boiled dates, fresh ginger, tulsi and a little bit of water. Once done, keep it aside. Make a smooth paste of the steamed amla too. Now we start the cooking. Heat ghee in an iron pan, add in the amla paste, cook for about 4 to 5 minutes, add in jaggery, cook for 2 minutes and add in the date and raisin paste. Mix this well, add in all the masalas with some kesar. Now we'll cook this till it slightly dries out and changes color. Once done, let it cool. This is going to stay fresh for about 6 months. So serve this daily and dig in.